Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ijoma, and in today's video I'm going to be working on this beautiful hair from Alipearl. Do not leave this video. Watch this video till the end and see how this hair took me from 0 to 100. This is the second time I'm working with Alipearl, and every of their hairs has been a bomb, a bang, a banger. Watch this video, guys. This hair is a 10 inches 13 by 4 lace frontal bob wig, 18% density. Guys, this hair is so amazing. It's so amazing. I can't believe Alipearl, they are selling this hair for this price, this expensive look. Watch this video. So we're going to jump into styling this hair straight out of the box. No smell, nothing. No need for any serious tinting or dyeing. This is how the hair came out. We had to apply some wax, and now we're hot combing it, trying to style it on the dummy head, and it's coming out so lovely. Guys, this hair is so soft and sleek. We had to be extra careful and gentle so we don't burn the wig net. So this is me wearing the wig and he's styling it on me. Guys, this hair is amazing. This video is not doing justice. Keep on watching and I'm very sure you'll enjoy this video. I really enjoyed shooting this video. I enjoyed every part of this video. I was so hyped about the hair, and you can tell how excited I was recording this video. works to 100%. Like I told you guys, to be honest, my honest review about this hair is that I'm not surprised. I'm not. See, the moment I saw the hair, when I unboxed the hair, I already knew it's perfection. I already knew that this hair is going to be perfect and so beautiful on me, and I know that I would not be disappointed, because come on now, come on, it's Alipearl hair or nothing. The texture, the density, the lace. I mean, what's lace? If anyone comes to meet me and be like, oh my, what hair can I get on a very affordable budget and a trusted brand, I would always recommend Alipearl hair and this 10 inches bob wig, because it's giving everything it's supposed to give and even more. Also, the fact that we didn't have to tint or bleach this hair to get like this result. I love this hair and I would recommend this hair to anyone, everyone. In short, go to my description box and click on the link to place an order for this hair. If you want to look classy, if you want to look good, this is like your go-to hair, and it's very, very easy for you to lay. The lace, the lace melted so well, the frontal lace melted so well, you won't even believe that this is not my hair. I know. It's not hype, guys. I really love the hair. You know, I would always bring good hair, quality hair or nothing. This hair is so soft and very lightweight. I'm very happy with the result of this hair. Anyways, why wouldn't I be? Come on, it's Alipearl. I expected the best and I got the best. For further description, all the information you need on this hair is in my description box below. A lot of you used to ask me where your hair is from. Just click on the link, the first link in my description box, and you also get a discount shopping this hair. Please hurry now. Don't say I did not tell you, okay? Don't come back later and start begging me, please dash me hair, please give me. You have it now. You have the link to shop it, and the good thing there is that they ship worldwide, so I don't know what you're waiting for. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, do not forget to share, do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.